everyone. So I'm so excited to be filming this video for you. Today we are doing 3 DIYs. One of them sitting behind me. It's so cute. My child ruined one of them. Which is why I didn't get like a whole video, but I took a picture and I showed you guys the picture. So hopefully the picture does it justice. He's a toddler. What can you do, right? What can you do? Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, please subscribe and keep watching if you want to see how I made these wonderful DIYs. So the first DIY is the little snowman. So basically, you want to wrap your presents in all white. I just took some Dollar Tree boxes and packed certain things in there because some of them would fit, some of them wouldn't. The bottom one was also a gift that I wrapped from Dollar Tree paper. I also just used normal tissue paper for the top 2 gifts because I couldn't find black wrapping paper. This DIY is so simple. Basically, you just stack them and then color in some dots. They don't have to be perfect. What snowman is perfect, you guys? Like, really. So that's the finished snowman. I didn't film it all because my son, like I said, is a toddler and is just, you know, all over the place. The second DIY is the picture frame that was behind me in the intro. So I started off with painting these little things. I painted 2 of each, which they were like $1.50, I believe, per pack. I got like multiples in each pack. I ended up only using like 1 of each, not even. So yeah. Then you need 4 picture frames. I would highly recommend getting picture frames that have a thicker frame, not so much of the thinner frame, because the thicker frame I feel like would hold together so much better than these ones did. It was very flimsy because of it. Peekaboo, my baby. So yeah, I'm just gluing the edges together and then I'm flipping it over and gluing the back because, you know, that's just what I'm doing. I think I also glued the front. Yeah, I'm doing that right now, just to add some extra strength, and then I glued everything else together on top of that, and you guys will see that right away. So now here I am just taking all of the backings out. You don't need the papers that like have the apples on it. Mine had apples. Whatever picture it is, you don't need it. The backings, I personally didn't put it back on because it wouldn't fit with the big giant ornament that I ended up using. But with the cardboard, or not cardboard, the little wooden pieces, it would work with that. I'm just also spraying some fake snow on these little glass. I recommend doing that afterwards because it's just a hassle. I'll explain in a minute. So now I'm putting on the lights. I started off by just gluing just the string parts, but I highly recommend to glue where the light little thing is. Not exactly on the bulb, but like the thing the bulb's attached to, because it stays down so much better and you don't have these super annoying wires everywhere. So I just did this around the whole frame. I did it in the middle and then I missed one little section, but you know what? I didn't have enough lights for that, so mind your own. This is the big ornament that I was talking about, and also the problem I was talking about. None of these were staying because of the fake snow. It was so annoying. Oh my gosh. So yeah, I kept on trying and I kept failing. So what I had to do was wipe off all the fake snow. It would have been so much easier if I just, you know, thought it through and just didn't put the snow on first and get all excited with the snow. You know what I mean? So yeah, I wiped it off. As you guys can see, it's a mess. But everything ended up staying. So yeah. I also use these little tiny snowflakes that I got from Dollar Tree. It came in a pack of 10. And then I went outside and sprayed it a different time. It worked so much better that way. You can kind of see the flaws because of me spraying it the first time, but you know what? It's perfect in my eyes. It's perfect, but hindsight, I'm here to give you the advice. Spray it after everything's on it. So now I'm just like putting some ribbon just to make it look cute and a little bit more festive because I thought it was just boring just sitting there all alone. So yeah, I'm just cutting it, kind of twirling the ribbon and then adding a cute little bow. And there is the finished DIY. This one was so cute. I literally love it so much. And now for my favorite DIY, the mini Mickey Mouse wreath that I did, the little DIY. It's adorable. So basically, I'm just showing you guys everything that I used. I didn't do it with the other ones, but like on every DIY, as you guys already saw, there will be the amount of things used and everything you need to go out and buy, but everything you can do it from the Dollar Tree or the dollar store. Either or. So I'm just zip tying the ears on it, and I didn't like the way the ears were so close together, so then I added more zip ties off camera to kind of separate them a little more because the ears so close together was a no for me. And then you just simply glue them down. I did it in the middle row. I don't know how to describe that, but like it's the middle row and you fill it all up. But one thing I recommend, which I ended up doing later on for the ears part, is taking off the top of the ornaments because it just created a headache and some of them were popping off because they were hitting the floor and then they'd pop off and then I'd have to re-glue them. So yeah, take off the tops, especially for the ears. The body of the wreath is, or the head I guess, it's not as important, but you know, it'll just make your life so much more easier. Oh my, look at the mess I've created. But now you use the tiny little ornaments and just glue them all around everywhere. I personally didn't get enough, so I had to get creative from the original creator that like created these wreaths. I didn't follow her exact tutorial once I ran out because I was not about to get up and go get more because I was like, no way, no thank you, I am good. But yeah, I just continued gluing these tiny little balls all around in the middle of the wreath. I didn't really focus on the outside of the wreath because at a certain point I thought, you know what, I'm gonna run out. So I didn't worry about it. And it actually saved me money in the long run as well, so keep that in mind as well. So now we are going to be using garland and zip ties all around the base perimeter, whatever that word is, to just put the wreath around because we ran out of balls. This is where I had to get creative because, like I said, I am not leaving my house. I already bought all these supplies. I did not spend this money to run out. So I'm just doing that for the ears. I used 3 to 4 zip ties each, and then the body, I believe I only used like 3 or 4 as well. So you're not really breaking the bank. Here I am just cutting the garland. Well, not quite, I'm adding another zip tie, but I will be cutting the garland and not connecting the middle, just so there's like a little gap in there where you could still see where you can hang the wreath. You know what I mean? Because if you don't have that, it might get lost in the sauce. You never know. But yeah, be careful when you're cutting the zip ties in the garland, because you might accidentally snip some hairs off. I didn't, luckily, but that's what I was scared of. So yeah, make sure when you're cutting it, you move everything around and adjust it as needed. But yeah, you just want to cut all those little things off. So because I ran out of balls, I did not have enough to fill in this little one to make it look even and cute like the rest of it. So I just took this little deer ornament that I had. It was like $1 from Walmart. It's still $1, and I glued it on because it's honestly pink and adorable, and anything pink, I'm obsessed. Like, look at my house coat. It's pink. But yeah, now I'm just staring at it, admiring it before I hung it because I was so proud. And then look, I turn around, I'm like, oh, look at that. But you guys, this is so cute. You guys, oh my gosh, I can't believe I made these. Like, they could have been made better and higher quality, but I still can't believe me, did that. Like, especially the wreath. The wreath, I was like, oh! Girl, like, I think I might become like a DIY queen. Maybe. Should I? I'm just kidding. But yeah, I got inspo from someone, and every single clip, as you guys saw, has the inspo of where I got it from. They're not identical. Maybe this one is behind me, but the rest of them aren't. Yeah. But anyways, if you guys like this video, please like and subscribe down below. Don't mind that I only have one hand of nails done. I am doing a little video for you guys, which is why I have one hand done and the other hand not done. Anyways, yeah, I'm so excited for Christmas. But yeah, bye.